it's Miss Nicole. We are practicing vacuuming today. Look at this room, what a mess. We have to clean it up. First, I'll start with picking up the items that are in our way. We have some toys, a big dog bed, there's even a baseball hat and a pair of shoes. We have to pick these up so we can vacuum the carpet. A couple more items. We'll move them out of the way. Okay, I think we're ready. I have my vacuum here. Yours might look similar or it could look a little different too. To get started, we'll unravel the cord. So you can unwind it one by one, or mine has a rotating button that you can rotate and take the whole cord off. So I'll do that. After you have the cord unraveled, you need to plug it in. So there's a plug right over here. Plug it in. My vacuum's power switch is on the top. There you go. You can see the red button is the power switch. So you just turn it on, push the vacuum down, and get started. We'll also practice using the hand tool, the hose. We'll pull out the hose and you can suck up specific items with the hose. If you're cleaning things like underneath the dresser or on top of the couch, you can even use an attachment to vacuum certain spots. All right, so let's practice. Grab your vacuum and practice along with me, okay? We're gonna turn on the vacuum and start vacuuming. All right. Push the vacuum back and forth. So when we practice, we push the vacuum back and forth. Just like that. And if there are things that the vacuum won't pick up, that's when you can use your hand tool. So pull out that hose attachment and suck up individual items. So we'll try that next. Okay, here's our hose attachment. Nice. Let's keep vacuuming. Sometimes you might need to move items out of the way to vacuum. So I'm going to pull the chair out and vacuum underneath the desk. Watch this. Okay, we'll check the area one last time and see if there's anything else that needs to be vacuumed. I see some spots over there. So keep going. Practice holding the cord so it's not in the way when you use the vacuum cleaner. I hold the vacuum with my right hand and hold the cord with my left hand. Let's try it out. Thanks for practicing with me. Everything looks great. Keep up the hard work.